What is up, Casey gang? It's your girl Rissa back with another video.
I be getting to the money. Everybody mad. I think I'm getting too much money. Everybody mad.
She's been working hard on her beats and music and everything like that. So I decided, why not go ahead and make a date night dinner for her. Please don't mind my hair. Today was a wash day and I wanted to do something to it, but I have to wait for it to dry and it's still wet. So no, you guys got to see me like this, baby. So if you guys try this recipe or try this meal out, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave us a comment down below, and yeah, let me get my rough self off this camera. All right, and we're gonna start with our 80 by 20 ground beef, and we're gonna add our taco seasoning, brown gravy mix, the whole pack, and our stroganoff mix, the whole pack. Alright, you're just gonna mix that up with your hands, get it all nice and coated and mixed. Now you're going to start shaping your meat into patties. It can be hamburger patties or the oval sized patties. I just made whatever type of patties. Yeah, they turned out pretty good. Alright, so now you're going to get your patties ready to be fried like hamburger patties. So you're just going to put each patty in the pan and let it cook to maybe medium well, because you're going to cook it again at the end. Alright, so we're going to start prepping our fresh green beans, and we're going to be cutting the stems off both ends of the green beans, and we're going to saute them in a pot. So yeah, here we go. They're all washed. I'm gonna throw them in a pot, let them saute with some butter. All right, so these are red skin roasted potatoes, the frozen ones. And I add these to the pot with the green beans. And let them saute with them. All right, now we're on to making our Salisbury steak gravy. So we're going to use this pack of stroganoff mix, and we're going to use a pack of brown gravy mix, and then we're going to add 2 cups of hot water and mix that together, and we're going to pour that in the pot with the oil from the burgers that we're cooking. You'll see in a minute. Alright, while the gravy is getting thick, we're going to add our Salisbury steak patties back to the pan and let them simmer in the gravy. Alright, you guys, so now we're just going to let them simmer on low for about 10 minutes. Alright, and now we're done. This is the finished plate. We have our Salisbury steak, green beans and potatoes, and then I just made some instant mashed potatoes. Everybody knows how to make those, with cheese and sour cream on top. Look at those green beans, nice and sauteed. Salisbury steak, it looks amazing. These mashed potatoes look awesome. Yeah. Let me know what you guys think of this meal in the comments down below.